Morning. Uh, Nandito kami sa Gate 7 ng NAIA Terminal 1. Yung flight namin is 10 in the morning. As usual, we're going to Hong Kong kasi meron akong asikasuhin doon. At the same time, may halong pasyal na rin at good time. Pero may kasamang work. Okay, so last month, December 2025, nandun kami ng buong family eh. Ngayon, January 27, but na I need to go back. Kasama ko si Mrs. Ayan siya oh. Yun, okay? So, ang sasakyan namin ay Philippine Airlines PR318. And then we're kinda lucky kasi ang magagamit namin plane na yun, yung bago nila, yung Airbus A350. Yun yung parang pumalit sa 777 nila eh. Mahaba yung plane. Okay, so, and then pagdating namin sa Hong Kong, mag-stay kami doon ng 4 days, 3 nights. We will stay at the Kowloon Hotel. Mamaya itatry kong magpakita ng room tour sa Kowloon Hotel. It's a favorite hotel of us eh. Favorite namin yung tuwing nandun kami dahil yung location niya maganda. Katapat siya ng peninsula. So napakalapit niya lang sa Victoria Harbor yung lakaran. Okay guys, so far so good. And later I'll go back pagdating namin sa Hong Kong. Thank you guys. Okay guys, finally kakarating lang namin. On time yung plane. The flights was smooth. Kaso yung pinaglandingan namin ang layo. Kailangan namin pang sumakay sa train para makapunta sa immigration. Ngayon si Muriel, andito siya ngayon. Kakakuha niya lang yung yung pocket wifi sa AO2. Pocket wifi rental. And then meron kaming free gift. Binigyan kami ng gift kasi every month nandito kami siguro. Kaya binigyan kami ng free gift na I don't know kung ano tawag doon. So the time now is 12:40. Ang ETA ng plane namin 12:15 on time siya dumating. Napansin ko lang pagka-landing ng plane, ang layo ng biniyahe pa. Tagal sa pagka-landing, ang layo pa. Siguro 15 minutes ulit yun. Ayan, so nagko-connect na kami. And then after this, magta-taxi na lang kami for convenience papunta dun sa hotel namin na Kowloon Hotel in Tsim Sha Tsui. Mami. Let's go. Okay. Magta-taxi na lang kami Okay, we're going out. I hope malamig. 18 degrees daw eh. This is our first Hong Kong for 2026. Okay? Pumupunta lang naman kami dito tuwing tuwing malamig eh. Normally December hanggang Feb, minsan hanggang early March. Sasabay na rin sa meron kaming business ngayon. Okay guys, so palabas na kami. Today is January 27, 2026. As usual, magta-taxi kami para diretso doon na mismo sa tapat ng hotel for convenience. Ang binabayad namin sa taxi normally para malaman nyo, from here to the Tsim Sha Tsui area, usually mga 290 to 320 Hong Kong dollars eh. So mga 1,800 to 2,100 Philippine pesos. Kaya kung 5 kami, sulit. Pero kung 2 kami, medyo mahal. Okay, so ito. We're walking towards the taxi station.
Hotel.
For me and my wife, going to Kowloon Hotel in Chimchachoy.
So you have cash?
Cash payment, yes,
Okay.
please.
Then live in number one. Next taxi for you.
There,
Yes, thank you.
we'll wait for there.
Yes.
Please make sure to tell the taxi.
It's
Kowloon
okay.
Hotel,
The
Chimchachoy.
staff will help you translate to
Thank
the
you, thank you, thank you. Para sigurado guys, alam na sasabihin namin talaga kung saan kami. Kowloon Hotel, minsan hindi nagkakaintindihan eh. Okay, now we're back here at the Kowloon Hotel. Kakadating lang namin. Napansin ko yung mga decoration na rito pang Chinese New Year na, no? Okay. Tapat nito is the Peninsula. Ayun na si manager. May bibilin siyang Cartier watch eh, kaya kami nandito. So, nandito na kami sa lobby ng 10th floor. Mabuti, mabait yung nag-attend sa amin sa lobby. Kahit di pa check-in time, inalaw kami mag-check-in. Okay, nasa 10th floor kami. Iwan lang namin ng gamit namin, tapos mamaya magmimerienda muna kami. Okay, hanapin natin, ha? Okay. Nahanap na namin yung room namin. Gustong gusto ko tong hotel na to Kowloon Hotel. Kasi for me, ang ganda ng location nito, katabi ng peninsula. Okay. Okay. Eto guys, nakapasok na ako sa room namin. Nandito kami sa 10th floor ng Kowloon Hotel. Uy, maganda. Maaliwalas yung vibe ng room. Na-miss ko to.
King bed.
Okay, we're always here. Tama, yan yung peninsula, oh. Okay. Siguro gawin natin, mag-room tour na ako, Mami.
Okay. Oh, here.
Yeah. Okay, so ito mag-room tour ako habang kaka-check-in lang namin. Maayos pa yung room. As in kaka-check-in lang namin ngayon. So this is a deluxe room. Actually, we book a superior room pero na-upgrade kami into a deluxe. Mas malaki ng konti. Bed niya, king bed. Let me show you the view of our room. One thing I like about this hotel is the location. We're just beside the Peninsula Hotel. Yan mismo, that's the Peninsula Hotel. That's our view. And then if you look here, you can see already the Nathan Road. And we are here at the 10th floor. There's another nice hotel here na hindi pa namin natatry, yung YMCA at Salisbury. It's there. So magkahilera silang tatlo. Meron kang working desk dito. Yan. And then, ano tawag mo dito, Mami? Yung ganito? Humidifier. Yan, gusto ko to. And then, maganda yung ano nila, lampshade. Okay. Punta tayo sa toilet. Habang maayos pa. Okay, ganito itsura ng toilet nila. Okay. And then, ito yung pinaka foyer niya. Of course, you have a mirror dito sa pagpasok mo. And then may amenities.
We're trying the egg curry off.
Kowloon gabi.
Can you compare it with the baked house curry tomorrow? Because the line is so long. We did once. We'll try again tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you, Andy.
Chopstick ka ba? Ah.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Morning breakfast time.
Tay.
Thai Airways. Wow. Whew. Lamig. Yung lamig ngayon. January 28. Papunta kami sa Fuwa Cafe. 7 a.m. na, medyo madilim pa rin ah. Pero hindi naman umuulan eh. Hey!
It's raining. It's just
Ha?
just
Bilisan natin. Mag-cover ka man. Kakakain lang ng breakfast. We're going back to the hotel after breakfast at Fuwa.
yeah.
Alice Pizza. Causeway Day Hong Kong.
So this is margarita and that's Italiani something. Italian pizza. And that's salmon.
Wala sa Philippines ito.
And we got free water from Cartier Boutique. And finally, we got the coveted bakehouse tart, egg tart. Oh, which one is better?
Now I know. Kaya pala Pinipilahan masarap talaga. This is better than the KFC. You can find it out talaga. Ang sarap.
Can you see? Closer. Okay.
Talagang masarap. First time ko na try ito ah. Ilang beses na ako sa Hong Kong.
Right.
Masarap pala talaga to.
Okay.
Ang sarap, grabe.
How much is it? $14
Ang
per
sarap.
piece. Yeah.
Talo si KFC.
Okay. At saka talo rin sa Kowloon Cafe.
Kaya Pinipilahan masarap.
Okay.
Ang sarap. You have to try it. Masarap talaga. Masarap. Ang sarap. Napasmile ako. Ang sarap. Try
Okay.
it. Mm.
Hello, Nelly.
Approve
Ang
sign.
sarap.
Approve
Hindi siya
sign.
masyadong matamis.
Approve.
Hi, Ma.
Okay, saan tayo pupunta ngayon, Mami? Saan tayo pupunta? Sabi mo yung name.
Kimberly Road.
Okay, anong pangalan ng buffet? Ay, buffet. Meron daw masarap na kainan ng dim sum. Lin Weng Lao. Okay, nabasa ko sa internet. Ito yung pinakasikat na dim sum place dito sa Hong Kong. Lin Weng Lao. I hope I pronounce it properly. I read, ang first branch nila is in Central Hong Kong, 1928. Yung nagsiserve ng trolley type na mga dim sum. Ngayon, swerte, meron pala ditong branch siya na nag-open noong 2025 sa may Kimberly Road. Yeah, okay. Yeah, pinapakita niya yung Ami shirt. Kimberly Road. So, tatry natin. Magbibideo kami para makita niya yung place. Kung magkano at saka yung crowd. Balita ko palaging puno eh. Okay, andito kami ngayon sa Nathan Road. Papunta kami doon. Okay. So, ito yung building nung famous na dim sum place dito sa Hong Kong. Lin Weng Lao. I don't know if I pronounce it right Lin Weng Lao. Okay, nandito sa Chong Li Commercial Building. And this is open 24 hours. 24/7 to. Oh, teka, lakad tayo. Nasa Kimberly Road to Tara.
May fire truck.
Kaso may fire truck ngayon dito eh. Anyway, ang ground floor niya is Locked In Cafe. Ayan, pag nakita niyo yung Locked In Cafe, yun Locked In Cafe. Ayan na, nandito sila. Mamaya kuhanan ko to ulit. There you go. Na. Pasok na tayo. Wow, nice dim sum. Mukhang masarap to. Ani, madami na yan
Ano yung sauce natin? Walang So this is the phô mai, or no, phô mai. That's the phô mai, shrimp and pork, and the hakao. And this is chicken, and that's the collagen, or agregat to the plate.
In fairness, masarap talaga.
So
Pero
masarap.
gusto may man. Kaya lang bawal ka ba? Ang sarap.
And we were served with jasmine tea. I think it's okay. How much? 552 Hong Kong dollars.
3.6.
Okay.
What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ivory. Wow.
Okay, final amount. We just finished eating at, anong name yan, Daddy?
Lin Weng Lao.
Lin
Yong Lao.
Sige, anong verdict mo?
Masarap pero sobrang mahal.
We were given the wrong bill a while ago. Nagulat kami kasi 500 Hong Kong dollars for 5
Dim sum.
dim sum. Sabi namin, wow, how much is that? Multiply by 7.5. 7 na lang, di ba?
Tapos
No.
mali.
It's a good thing na notice ni Ray at nag-complain kami. So, na-retract naman nila to 304. Still, it's 2,200 in
Oh,
pesos.
Basta ganito. We ordered 5 dim sum, hakaw, siomay, siopaw, chicken feet, at saka yung isa, parang chicken dim sum. Ang bill namin is in Philippine peso, 2,200. Lumalabas isang dim sum mga 450 to 500 pesos. Ang isang dim sum. Ganon, mahal siya. So if you want to try it, yun, be ready, mahal. Tapos Chinese, hindi mo maiintindihan kung magkano eh. Basta pag magbabayad ka na, yun, magugulat ka na lang. Basta
So-
isang dim sum 500.
So we got lost in translation. It's a good. So what happened? Kaya kami nagkaintindihan. Nagturo-turo na lang kami. So yun. In the end, pero it was good. It was a good experience.
Oh,
Di
pero
ba?
masarap siya, mahal
Masarap.
lang.
Oo, masarap. Di ba sabi mo, blinog ni Mark Queen?
I heard, yeah. Oh.
That's why you
Ang
tried
first branch nila sa Central Hong Kong eh.
Okay.
Pakita mo. Eh.
Sige.
So yan yung restaurant. The name is Lin Yong Luau. Lin Lueng Lao. Okay, nasa taas siya ng Lock In Cafe, Kimberly Road.
This is the Kimberly Road. There,
Basta mahal, ang mahal talaga, mahal.
the entrance is through that stairs. So yun. It's at least.
Okay,
try
okay,
natin.
okay.
Finally!
Okay. Sarap.
You have to eat.
Sarap. Bagay sa malamig na weather.
Steakhouse and art. Good.
Steam rising from a porcelain cup. Sunlight dancing as the world wakes up. Pages turning, stories unfold. Lost in the moment, letting time slow. Soft jazz plays in the air, fingers tracing patterns.
Ami.